For our new construction home, we meticulously explored many fencing options before confidently selecting black alumiline from Torrance Fence Company. The decision was easy once we saw the black aluminum. It's incredibly challenging to convey the sheer beauty of this fence in words. It has undeniably elevated our home's curb appeal to an extent we couldn't have imagined with any other material. Beyond its super sleek and modern aesthetic, this is by far the strongest fence we encountered. The combination of aluminum and powder coating assures us of its lasting durability and a future free from maintenance. We were equally impressed with Torrance Fence Company throughout the entire process. From start to finish, the experience was incredibly smooth. Their crews are exceptionally professional and experienced, and their attention to detail was evident in every aspect of the installation. We truly appreciate their commitment to a high-quality outcome. Highly recommended.